Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add YouTube username to your TradingView account on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to add your YouTube username, first copy your YouTube username from your YouTube studio or your YouTube channel or from your phone. And after that, open your TradingView app and make sure that you're logged into your TradingView account on the app. And with that being done, you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land on this interface where you can see your username at the top of the screen. Tap on your username and again tap on the pen icon at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, and you can see where it says the YouTube username. Just paste your username or copy paste it or just write it down over here, and remember to tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. By that your edits will be saved. And with that being said guys, this is how to add YouTube username to your TradingView account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.